Hello everyone. We have created a game. Basically, it's based on React. So, how we created, what the tech use, we will deep dive into later. First, let me explain about this game. So, as you can see the name, it's a magic match game. So, yeah, we have to match something. These are little bit some cards, okay, that can be flipped whenever we click on it, like this. Hmm. Suppose I have clicked this card, and if I click another card like this, so I have to match both card. If both are matched, then they will flipped. So these were not same. So let me click no. Cool. These are matched. So now you can see. Oh, one thing more. Here turns are also counted. Let me make it a little bit. It's better, I think. Yeah. So whenever I click two cards, they are not matched. One turn is counted. So if I click here, no. I think I found similar to this here. No. Okay, let me finish the game. Cool. So count is increasing of turns. So I think here. No, 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 no. Where is this tier? This is cool. I found the now this one. Not, not. Yeah, I found it here. Cool, cool, cool. Sorry. So in total 16 turns, I have completed my game. So it was a just magic match game. You have to match and flip. So after it took 16 turns, huh? That means minimum turns you take, you get more good result. If I click on new game, so it again keeps starting. Okay, turns one. So basically it's a game, and you can see the URL. If you want to play, you can go here. Okay. So for this, let me go to here. Cool. Hmm. We use React. Okay. If you are learning React, so it can be better project for you in the starting, huh? So yeah, we use React here, and let me walk through some here. Cool. Close everything first of all. Okay. We have a SRC folder, source file folder. We have components. Okay, and we have some file like app.js. I pushed the Git on GitHub. That's why it's showing red. Don't worry. Huh? Cool. So we have some images. I'm not going to explain the code here. Okay. You can find the code on GitHub repo. Hmm? We have some design, something, blah blah. And in components, we have created card, that design, how it will look front and how it will look after the flipping. Handling the single card, we are using an back image, cover image for the back, and for the front we are using different images. Okay, so all the things are written. These are the images we are using. So images, yeah, we have put here in public images. So it's our cover image, and these are some other images. Okay. So this is the code, and you can find the code, I guess, here also. One second, I will provide the link below. Okay, written some description also. Okay, how can you clone this repository and whatever, how the game works. And I have also deployed it using free development for GitHub pages. Okay, okay, cool. Okay, this is the free development by GitHub. If you are a learner and you have created some projects, it's better to you deploy it somewhere. Huh? So yeah, this is my URL. and this is the my repo URL, like this. Okay, you can find the code. I will provide the description. So I hope you understand what is the game. Okay, and try it. Let's see how you do it.